guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at a new cute little collection of neons from Colores de Carol. We have 4 neon Krellies. They are pastel neons or bleached neons. These are adorable. I'm obsessed with them. There are also 2 glitter toppers, which you know I happen to also really love from Colores de Carol. We're going to go ahead and get right into the live application. I'm going to go in alphabetical order. As always, you will find the brand's information down in the description bar below, so you can head on over. Each of these polishes is going to be $11.50 each, or if you would like to snag the whole collection, it will be $60 on the website. Also launching on the same day, there's going to be some new cuticle oil scents in Mango, Tropical Punch, Coconut Cream, and Daisy. So let's go ahead and start swatching. The first polish alphabetically happens to be one of the toppers, and I'm going to swatch it over white for you today. I feel like the white base really makes the particular components that she used stand out really, really well, but you can totally wear this polish over the neons in the collection as well. This one's called Beach Balls. It's described as a clear base with crystal rainbow glitter and hollow flakes. The crystal rainbow glitter are basically sheer glitters that are going to show their bright coloration. When you put them over a light base like a white, really makes all the colors pop in their true color. But because they're kind of sheer, they're going to change a little bit depending on what you wear them over, kind of like when you layer up a jelly sandwich. So that's really cool. It also has an element of hollow flakies in there. I'm going to swatch it for you over a white and over another polish in the collection so you can see the diverse ways that the polish can look. This one's really fun. So this is called Beach Balls. It's totally packed with product, so you really only need 1 coat. Okay, we're going to go ahead and get into the neons, you guys. Colores de Carol has released some neons this summer. These ones are totally different. They are light, sweet, cute pastel neons, and I love them. They're so beautiful. They're a little quad of perfectly sweet colors. They have a Krelly formula, so they're gonna look a little squishy on the nails, which I love. So first up, alphabetically, we have the Peachy Coral shade. This one's called Chillin' and Grillin'. Chillin' and Grillin' is described as a bright peachy coral. Think of that. It looks exactly as the description says it should. This is just so sweet and precious, you guys. If you love a coral shade, this is like the most sweet little innocent coral you could ever think of. It's so, so beautiful. It's just pinky enough too. It's so pretty. I did this at 2 coats. This is Chillin' and Grillin'. The next one up from the pastel Krelly neons is Life's a Beach. And this is the beautiful lime pastel neon. It's so pretty. It's described as a bright light green Krelly. I love it. I love it so much. It's so soft. They're so bright. I'm swatching them at 2 coats. They get so beautifully bright. Such a fun way to cool down this summer. If you're getting too hot, cool them down with these still neon shades, but just a little bit less intense. This is Life's a Beach. We did 2 coats with top coat, and I just love it. Love, love, love. Next up we have C'est La Vie, but it's spelled like C'est La Vie. This is the pink, and this one is just perfection. It's so, so sweet. It's described as a bright bubblegum pink Krelly. So I just love how Colores de Carol has brought pastels into the summer for us, giving those of us pastel lovers a fresh new way to wear them this summer. So beautiful, you guys. I said I'm obsessed. I love these colors. They also play so fantastically well when you combine them in manicures. These are so fun. Next up we have another top coat. This one's called Splash Zone. Splash Zone is described as a holographic base with neon dots in various colors and sizes. So this one's gonna give whatever you wanna wear it over a full hollow flare, plus you have so many neon dots. We have orange, purple, pink, green. There's actually like a neon red and an orange. Yeah, all the neon colors basically could sum it up, and there's so many glitters in this polish. This really covers the nail. This is Splash Zone. I wore this over a couple of different polishes in the collection. You could certainly put this over black too. That would really make you be able to see all that hollow really well. So this one's really, really fun. Would make an excellent accent nail for any of these polishes. This is Splash Zone. And the last polish and the ultra sweet purple in the collection is called Surf's Up, and Surf's Up is described as a bright lilac Krelly, and it's so beautiful. These lovely pastels just kind of take my breath away with how cute they are. This one swatches just like the rest of them so nicely in 2 coats. So when I thought I was done with neons, no, I'm not done with neons. I didn't know that I needed a new collection of pastel neons, but I definitely did. These are so cute, you guys. They play so well. They look so beautiful on. They are bright, they're fresh, they are happy. This is such a fun collection. So let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. Thanks for stopping by to hang out with me for a little bit today. I really appreciate it. I'll see you guys back for the next video very soon. Take care. Bye.